Welcome to the DJI Terra tutorial series. This video will show you how to use the self-troubleshooting feature to easily monitor reconstruction and access clear solutions. Parameters after entering the reconstruction project interface. Either during the reconstruction process or after it is completed, you can go to the execution record panel and click the reconstruction parameters button to view the complete configuration parameters for the task, facilitating project reviews and parameter comparisons across tasks. The execution record panel displays information chronologically, showing the status of each reconstruction stage, covering the entire workflow from pre-processing to aero triangulation, 2D reconstruction, and point clouds. When there are numerous historical records, you can use the search bar at the top to enter keywords, or step names for a quick search, or filter by task status with a single click to find records more efficiently. If an anomaly occurs during a reconstruction task, DJI Terra provides two types of prompts, warnings, and blocks, allowing you to quickly assess the severity of the issue. A warning indicates a minor anomaly, such as a mapping mismatch between thermal infrared and visible light photos. This type of issue will not interrupt the reconstruction process, but only alerts you that it may affect the final output quality. A block indicates a severe anomaly, such as insufficient input images or an invalid license. These critical errors will immediately terminate the reconstruction task. Once an error prompt appears, expand the failed item in the panel to view the detailed description, along with official troubleshooting guidelines, to quickly resolve the issue yourself. For complex anomalies that cannot be resolved manually, click the bug report icon in the upper right corner, and DJI Terra will automatically package the logs. Simply fill in the issue summary, select the data you wish to upload along with any relevant attachments, and submit them directly to DJI support. Providing comprehensive data helps our technical support team quickly locate and resolve the issue. That concludes our guide on using the self-troubleshooting feature in DJI Terra. Thank you for watching.